Thinking, the talking of the soul with itself. A new day brings a new beginning. But what brings Aman to become a brand for the sourcing hub of Bangladesh? Safe working environment, green initiatives, employee welfare, investment in people and technology, right quality, diversified fashion ability on product range have extended its turnover to $110 million with ultimate satisfaction of employees and the customers. That's how Aman has become a game changer in the global market for the last few decades. Aman is a family of 10,000 members who always work together, dream together, and build their future together. Our holistic CSR approach is to ensure gross employee happiness.
We believe our productivity, less absenteeism, and turnover are driven by gross employee happiness, and their happiness is more important than our gross factory production.
Healthy employee, healthy Aman. With this concept, we provide complete healthcare services to our employees, which includes medical consultation, diagnosis, medication, medical and life insurance, emergency hospitalization, and death donation program to provide financial support to the victim's family. Apart from these, routine health checkup, eyesight test, tuberculosis screening, female health, hygiene and reproductive awareness training, blood donation program, food and nutrition counseling, free health nutrition booklet, and subsidized rice distribution are facilitated to all our employees. Education is light. Educational support to the children of our employees and local schools are the vital activities of Aman, providing school uniforms to the children, supported by Tesco and DFID, scholarships to the potential children of employees, computer donations to the schools, painting school classrooms, contributing to annual sports of different schools, donations to the Freedom Fighters Association's library, and inviting school students in factory premises to create more awareness on energy savings and sustainability. Our doors are always open for physically challenged people and given special priority. We boost up their self-confidence, ensuring job security, medical and financial support, along with customized workstations and other required aids. We have provided a fully equipped training room in Center for Rehabilitation of the Paralyzed. We also celebrate International Disability Day to mobilize their morale. In many cases, they are found more efficient than the regular employees and the mainstream workforce. We celebrate all relevant international events like World Environment Day, Traffic Day, Mother's Day, International Day of People with Disability. Aman has the most prioritized scheme on human skills development, such as Leadership Development Program by Dr. Ranjan De Silva and Mr. Ijaz, Neuro-Linguistic Program by Mr. Ranjan De Silva, Continuous Process Development, Rajesh Veda, RPC, Developing Great Managers by Mr. Jayde, Stress Management Training by Dr. Mehtab Khanum. We call Aman an opportunity mine. We do not provide a job only. We ensure a career which has now become a culture with us. If we exemplify, Mr. Raihan, Operator to Quality Assurance Manager, 16 years. Mr. Mujibur, Quality Controller to GM, 16 years. Mr. Jishan, Management Trainee to AGM Marketing and Merchandising, Mr. Himel, Management Trainee to GM Marketing and Merchandising, Mr. Rokunuzaman, Assistant Manager to CEO. Kaizen, 5S, Kanban, Sweet Party for the Fresh Recruits, Literacy Program are the keys that drive us towards idea generations, inventory control, efficiency and happiness at optimum level both mentally and professionally. Global warming is now the center of attention for survival. To make the world a better and sustainable one to live for our coming generations, we have taken several initiatives. Solar electricity generation, use of daylight, rainwater harvesting, servo motors, T8 LED lights, LED task lights, waste segregation and recycling, using push tapes in the washing areas, boiler condensed water recovery, thermal water heater, evaporative cooling system, tree plantation and environment cleaning, free tree plant distribution, energy savings bulb distribution, and most importantly, zero landfilling. Thus, we contribute to the reduction of carbon footprint in the environment. As a result of all these initiatives, we have achieved a certificate of Green Factory from our UK customer Marks & Spencer. However, we are fighting against climate change together to make our planet a better place to live in. One of our core commitments is workplace safety. All our production units have already completed 100% remediation work for structural, electrical and fire safety as per the guidance of Accord. In response to the global commitment of sustainability, we use BCI cotton for all our products. We do have the license of Organic Cotton, Woolmark Bland and Fair Trade. Factories are certified by SADEX, RAB, BSCI, Ocotex, GOTS, OCS, WSC, ISO 9001-2015 and ILO Better Works. All the practices, processes and developments have made our main goal achievable, which is employee happiness. Our woven unit, Aman Graphics and Designs Limited, has achieved worker satisfaction rate of 97%, which was surveyed by a US-based company, Elevate, through Labour Link, and it is the highest score among 180 factories in Bangladesh. The establishment of all above culture in our company was driven by the dream of our chairman, Mr. Abul Hussain, who planted the seeds as Unifil Composite and Dyeing Mills Limited back in 1980s and is legendary for his sense of dignity, dedication and hard work, solely accompanied by the core value of uncompromised ethical business practice. Later, the business was driven forward by his two capable sons, Mr. Mahbub Hussain and Mr. Sakhawat Hussain, who have successfully established a dedicated and fully functional modern management, who always believe together we are winners. We produce 700,000 pieces of sweater and 800,000 pieces of woven shirts and bottoms monthly for our renowned brands of Europe and Australia. Being an exception from the thought process of customers about Bangladeshi basic products, we at Aman have taken the challenge of producing fashion sweaters and woven products. We are enhancing competitiveness through automations, which is driving both our aptitude and attitude to the next level. In sweaters, we have computerized jacquard machines stole from Germany, automated winding machines, steam chamber for increasing product efficiency, modern linking machines. Likewise, in woven, we have automated cutting department, interlock-cut software to reduce wastage, hanger lines from Eurotex, EPW machines from Germany, world's best software for planning from UK, known as Fast React, is in place in Amman. For the last 3 decades, Unifil Group has been contributing to the growth of garment export in Bangladesh by producing 1.5 million yards of fabric every month in a variety of qualities for bottoms like twill, poplin, ripstop, canvas and different dobby fabric quality, both in solid and all-over printing. Designability of the garment manufacturer is the ultimate demand of the customers, and in response, we have established a design house in the UK as well as a support design team at the factory premises in Bangladesh. Long-term relationship with the valued customers is the DNA of Amman. And if you see the tenure of the customers we are working for, M&S 12 years, Next 10 years, Tesco 14 years, Mother Care 15 years and Target 10 years. With the concept of right first time and total quality management system, we are on a continuous process to achieve excellence in quality standard to delight our customers. As a result, we have achieved self-inspection certificate from almost all our top customers.
We believe it is the beginning of the endless togetherness of Amman family in terms of commitment and care to our employees, vendors and customers. Traditionally, business means profit, profit and profit. Rather, we emphasize on togetherness towards satisfaction of our employees, customers and vendors. Here, we want to invite you to extend your support to inspire us to go ahead to build up a new culture on happiness and sustainability. Thank you for your time.